from the other side. The other side? Yes. The other side of the Red Sea. The other side. Drawing you to your promised land. I'm letting you hear sounds when this war with Pharaoh ends. I'm letting you hear the sounds now so that you can get used to them. Because I'm going to call you with another sound when you get on the other side. And you're going to hear something as you walk toward the Jordan to make your crossing. You must be strengthened from this point on so that when you cross the Jordan and you come to the brink, you don't turn back for 40 years. You cross on over and say, we're well able to take the land. We're well able, for giants will not consume us on that side. We've already come from the land of that side. And we are not going to be driven by tyrants any longer. We're not going to be driven by the lash. We're moving toward our promises. Listen to the sound. You can hear the sound if you listen. It's a different sound. To the sound, listen to the sound if you listen. I will start off by letting you hear it in October, and I will carry it through November, but I will carry it through December, and December will scream, and it will scream, and the voice of January will grow loud. And the voice of January will shout and scream for a new beginning, a brand new start. And there will be low growls of slithering serpents as they come along the ground to try to undermine February. But nay, says the Lord, they will not undermine February. For February will be the month you step on the heads of the serpents. February will be that time, and in the spring I will bring a refreshing. In the spring it will be March, 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 and March. Hear the sound, March, March, March. March will bring forth April. Get used to the sound, for summer is coming. Summer is coming. Summer is coming. The enemy struck blind. Summer is coming. Summer will come. Summer is coming. Your enemy struck blind. Hamas will see no more. I will drown Hamas by the seashore. Egypt, Egypt, you were warned. You were warned. Not once, but several times. Back up. Back up. Back your ass up. Egypt, are you listening? Are you listening? Iran will have new leadership. And my revival will swell to 3/4 of the population. What of Israel? What of Israel? Do I have to say, says the Lord, Israel is mine. Israel is mine, and I will give and add to their land. For when they come out of this one this time, they will control more than they did before going in. What about all the wrong in Israel, someone says? What about it? Well, what about the wrong, God? I have dealt with Israel. And Israel talks to me, says the Lord, not to you. You beware and take care how you speak comfortably to Jerusalem. For I will weigh you there. I will bring you into the valley of Jehoshaphat and weigh you there, O nations of the earth. For those judges in the United Nations court, you thought you were some kind of power. I will judge you now, says the Lord, for you have sown the seeds to be judged. I will spare my people in Switzerland, but I will deal with powers that be. You should have never thought to subvert me, says the Lord. These are strong words. Yes, strong words. But they attempted to bind Samson with fetters, ropes. But he shouted, and I came up on him, and they were broken as if they were nothing. I'm going to give the power of Samson to Israel. And one will kill 1,000 with the jawbone of a donkey. Hear the mystery when it's said donkey. The jawbone of an ass will be used against the enemies. Whoa, yes. Tearing off the gates of Gaza. Tearing off the gates of Gaza. What about Russia? Russia wants the same thing right now. Hear the bell. The bell is tolling again. For whom the bell tolls in the Mideast. Why did you think you could attack my prophet Netanyahu? Why would you think that you could undermine my land? I know who you are, and I know what you want. But you will die in your sleep. You will just not wake up. For whom the bell tolls. It tolls for leaders in Iran. It tolls for those who are cruel with no mercy. It tolls from the future, not many days hence. Hear the bell as it tolls. It still tolls. And then there's pence. Decisions of time. Decisions you know nothing of, says the Lord, are being made in private. Decisions. What's going on, prophet? Heaven's talking. Heaven's talking from tomorrow. And the breath of life is coming into today. Decisions are being made. So don't be quick to judge. For they will decide in the 11th hour what will happen next.